Today we're making peasant bread. It's a no-knead bread that goes really well with soups and stews. The ingredients are 1 package of active dry yeast, 2 cups of warm water divided, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, which you'll melt later, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Make sure your water is the right temperature, between 110 and 115 degrees, so that you don't kill your yeast. Dissolve well. With the flour, add the salt and sugar and mix it well. And make a little well in the middle of your dry ingredients. Add the yeast mixture. And add the remaining water, which again is at the perfect temperature between 110 and 115 degrees. You're going to cover it up and keep it in a nice warm place until it's doubled. It takes about an hour. When that's done, stir down the dough. Divide it in half. And place each half in a greased 1-quart round casserole or oven-proof bowl. You melt your butter, and you're going to brush the tops of your loaves with the butter. And now sprinkle the tops with your poppy seeds. cover them up again and let them rise for about 45 minutes. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes.